If you're wondering why stocks plunged, if Trump's bluffing again, and what it all means for defense stocks and your investments, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel. I'm Chris. This is for educational vibes only. Do your own homework before trading. Buckle up. President Trump has been obsessed with Greenland since his first term, calling it vital for U.S. national security against Russia and China, plus its rare earth minerals for tech and defense. In early January 2026, he ramped it up, saying, "We take it the easy way or the hard way," refusing to rule out military force. Then, over the weekend, he slapped tariff threats 10% starting February 1, jumping to 25% by June on 8 European allies like Denmark, Germany, and the UK if they didn't back a US takeover. Host, the market's reaction? Brutal. On January 20, first trading day after MLK holiday, stocks cratered. The Dow tumbled 871 points, or 1.76%. S&P 500 dropped 2.06%. Investors freaked over renewed tariff wars, geopolitical chaos, and the Sell America vibe, where folks dumped U.S. assets, sending Treasury yields spiking and the dollar down. Gold hit records above $4,700 an ounce as a safe haven. It wiped out 2026 gains for S&P and Nasdaq, echoing past Trump tariff tantrums. But hold up, what's next for the stock market? Fast forward to January 21 at Davos. Trump rules out force, saying "I won't use force" multiple times, and announces a framework deal with NATO's Mark Rutte on Greenland and the Arctic. He drops the tariff threats entirely. Markets loved it. Stocks rallied hard. Dow surged 588 points or 1.21%. S&P up 1.16%. Nasdaq 1.18%, recovering most of the prior day's losses. Analysts call it the Trump always chickens out trade. He blusters, markets dip. He backs off, markets bounce. Short term, volatility lingers if talks drag, but this de-escalation could fuel a relief rally. Longer term, watch for Arctic deals boosting resource and tech sectors. Now, will Trump chicken out this time? Looks like he already did. Sources say aides pushed hard against the military option, calling it chaotic and diplomatically disastrous. He reversed on force and tariffs within days, echoing past backdowns. But don't count him out. He tied it to Nobel snubs and insists on ownership vibes, so negotiations could heat up again if no deal sticks. Classic Trump. Big threats, then pivot to claim victory. What does this mean for the defense sector? Huge implications. Trump's Greenland push spotlights Arctic security. Think missile defense like his Golden Dome system, countering Russia-China threats. It could mean more U.S. bases in Greenland, ramped up NATO spending to 5% GDP by 2035. Defense stocks? Winners if tensions lead to budgets ballooning. Companies like Lockheed Martin, Raytheon could see boosts from Arctic tech, minerals for weapons. Or risks? NATO strain if Trump pushes too hard, potentially hurting alliances and global stability. Europe might accelerate independent defense, diluting U.S. dominance. Trump's Greenland threat sparked a market meltdown over tariffs and war fears, but his quick backdown sparked a rebound. Defense gets a spotlight with potential spending spikes, but watch for ongoing drama. Is this the end or just run one? Share your thoughts below. Will stocks keep climbing or is more volatility coming? If this hooked you, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more market breakdowns. Remember, not financial advice, talk to pros. Thanks for watching.